Okay, this video will show you how to get started using our remote software. So you're going to go to teamviewer.com. That's going to bring up this web page here. From here, you just click on download, scroll down to Teamviewer host, and click on the link here. You can run or save. Run would be best. Now that the software is downloaded, here's the next window you're going to see. You're going to click run again. And then next, you can choose company commercial use because you'll be dealing with us. Accept the agreement. And the password. The password, if you're doing this on your own prior to service without speaking to a technician yet, which you're more than welcome to do, you could put in your own password. Just note what it is so when you speak with a technician you can provide it to them. In most cases, if a technician is helping you install this software, walking you through this process I'm showing you right now, they will provide you the password. I'll just put anything in here. And next. And that's it. The installation is done at that point. The remote connection software is installed and it's possible to work with you. You can see the icon right down here. This is giving you your ID. You can see it if you put your mouse over it, that group of numbers. That's what the technician is going to need. The technician's only going to need your ID and password that you entered, and we'll be able to get started working with you. Now, if any time you don't want any connections to be possible, all you have to do is just right click this icon here and pick Exit Teamviewer. And yes. Now at that point, no more connections are possible remotely. And to just reopen the software, all you do is just go into your All Programs and scroll down to Teamviewer. And you just restart the program from there.